whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frames, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from impalas with the X-frame doing.
What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? We made it. We are officially in Chicago. We've had a late flight. We left straight from work yesterday. We jumped on a red eye. We landed here. It is, what time is it right now? Let's see. It is 10:45. So we landed here. We got our rental. We came straight to the facility. We had no breaks in between, and we're getting straight to work right now. So far we got here, we've ran into all the guys already. This facility here is absolutely freaking gorgeous, man. It is huge. It is the biggest convention center in the US. I didn't even know that until we got here, and it's freaking massive. So we're excited. We're gonna get everything set up right now and get you guys some behind the scenes, of course, of how everything works. And yeah, time to get to work. So we got part of the booth set up, but we're taking a little break to go enjoy this beautiful freaking view. Look at this. We got the Great Lakes. We got Lake Michigan right behind us right here. I've never seen it in person. To tell you how massive and how big it is, it looks like a freaking ocean from right here. And did you guys notice? Check out these sweet bombers. Yeah, we're rocking them. Not just safety glasses, I'm wearing them for my everyday too. So you guys check out Bomber.
We out here, man. We out here doing it. Yeah. Vegas Super Show next.
Vegas?
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. It's everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere right now.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Hell yeah, dude. Killed it, dude. Killed it. Hey, get out here. Yeah.
for Hoppos, always showing love with family, you know what I'm talking about?
There
That's
you
what
go.
we do. We from Slapperhole, Texas.
2023 Chicago Super Show came to an end. We are done. We are packed up. We were ready to go home, but we gotta make one last stop, make it out to the hop before we fly out tomorrow morning back to Cali. Gotta show a little love out here in Chicago. So we got the hoppers lined up. We're out here with GS Customs with Lowrider magazine. We got Mothership that just pulled up that you guys just saw right now. So we'll see you guys out in a bit.
Hey, bumper checking. You bumper checking. He hits this shit all day long. Hey, this is for you. This is for you.
Hey, don't break it! Don't break it for me though.
Have some soda.
Hey, don't break it for me.
He said you better have some solenoid. That's my dog. That's my dog. Boy, baby. Oh my God. Watch out, motherfucker! Homies only from the south side, baby! Sponsored by Hoppos! Sponsored by Hoppos all day, homies only! All day, baby!
Let's go, Tony!
Oh shit! Here we go, B. What's up, baby?
Your setup.
Oh shit! All right, they're about to hop. They're about to hop. I just